Okay, so let's look at 4, and I'll do 4. And notice 7 is essentially the same idea. So I'll leave 7 to you after I've done 4. And I'll open this homework back up so you can go back and redo these two. So assume that the readings at freezing on a batch of thermometers are normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. All right, so automatically, since it's got a mean of 0, the standard deviation of 1, and we know it's normal, it's a standard normal distribution. Okay, so a single thermometer is randomly selected and tested. Let Z represent the reading of this thermometer at freezing. What reading separates the highest 1.86% from the rest? That is, if the probability that Z is greater than C is equal to 0.0186, let's find C. Okay, now, since we are looking for a probability that is greater than a number, then we need to subtract this from 1 first because Excel only gives us the probability of less than a value. All right, so I will go to Excel first, and or we can put it in our calculator, 1 minus 0.0186, but I don't have a calculator in front of me, so I'm going to do it in Excel. Okay, so in my path, I'll just go to the little waffle down to Excel, and we'll open up a blank workbook. Oh, and I failed to write down that probability, so let me do that real quick. 0.0186. Okay, so back to Excel here. All right, so we'll do equal. Oh, don't seem to be equal 1 minus 0.0186 first. Okay, so that's 0.9814. All right, so now since I'm going from a probability back to the z-score, I want to do equal norm.s.inv and put 0.9814 into those parentheses and hit enter, and we get 2.083562. So, and of course, we'll go ahead and check it against the answer. Of course, as an instructor, I'm able to just do that. And of course, the only thing it's done is left that 2 off of the end, but putting the 2 in should not matter. If you do these and it does matter, just let me know and I'll go back and I will update your grade because it shouldn't be that sensitive. But if it is, just let me know. All right, hopefully that will help you through these two problems. But if you still have difficulty, let me know.